Hello and welcome to the Sewing Whisperer and another tutorial in the pocket playlist. Today we're sewing jean style scoop pockets, including the money or coin pocket. This versatile and practical design can also be added to skirts and trousers. If it's your first time here, don't forget to check out the other pocket tutorials in this series. Each one builds your skills step by step, perfect for beginners or anyone refreshing their sewing skills. Want to sew along with me? There's a free downloadable pattern linked in the description below. Scoop pockets are most commonly found on jeans, but they work beautifully in all kinds of trouser and skirt designs. The great advantage of this style is that it sits smoothly on all body shapes, no gaping. And if the pocket bag's deep enough, it will securely hold a phone. The Sewing Whisperer pattern has you covered. Let's get started. For those who are wanting to download the pattern and follow along, just go down into the details, locate the pattern and download it, then open it in Adobe Acrobat. That's a free downloadable program. Once you've got the file open, just say File, Print. Select All to make sure all the pages will print. Then select Actual Size or whatever the wording is for your software, which may be different to mine, but don't select Fit or Shrink. Then in my case I choose Auto. You may only have Portrait and Landscape. I just find Portrait throws it off center, so for my software I have to choose Auto and then select Print. Once printed, trim the right hand edge of each page back to the grey line. Tape pages 1 to 4 together, matching up the adjoining circles and letters. Once the full pattern is assembled, cut out the pattern pieces. Glue the money pocket template onto card. Cutting the fabric. Cut the front, money pocket and facing from your main fabric. I'm using denim. Mark all the drill holes on the facing and snip the notches. Cut the pocket bag from lining fabric, marking the notches as well. Sewing the money pocket. Using the notches as a guide, press the money pocket hem by folding it over 1.25 centimeters or half an inch twice. Using the pressing template, press in the side seam allowances. Stitch across the pocket hem. Position the money pocket. Line it up over the drill holes, then slide it up 6 millimeters or 5/16 of an inch to cover them. Pin in place. Attach the money pocket. On the right hand side, edge stitch from top down, then top stitch from the bottom back up, tucking in the seam allowance. Pivot and sew 3 stitches across. On the left hand side, edge stitch from the bottom up. Once again, tuck the seam allowance in. Pivot, sew 3 stitches across, then top stitch back down to the bottom. Constructing the scoop pocket. Overlock the curved edge of the facing. Match the notches and pin the facing to the pocket bag. Stitch the facing to the pocket bag along the center of the overlocking. Bagging out the scoop. Place the pocket bag on top of the main piece with right sides together and pin in place. And stitch along the curve. Trim and clip the seam allowance every 2 centimeters or 3/4 of an inch. Turn through and press the scoop edge flat, making sure no pocket bag fabric shows on the right side. edge stitch and top stitch the scoop curve. Fold the pocket bag and pin the facing behind the scoop, matching the notches. Sew the hem of the pocket bag closed. Overlock across the hem. Stay stitch the pocket bag to the main pieces at the top and side edges. Give the whole pocket a final press. And that's it, your scoop pocket is complete. Next up in the pocket playlist is how to sew a slant pocket. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss it. And if you're following along, I'll see you there.